spend more than $1.5 trillion on health care each year.
And while insurance helps, many procedures still require significant out-of-pocket contributions. That's why some San Diegans are taking a short drive south in search of discounted medical care.
Just follow my instructions. We're going to take the x-rays and they're going to come up immediately right here on the screen.
Using a digital x-ray machine, this dentist quickly diagnoses the patient's problem.
Open up and look at it in the mirror.
A plastic surgeon shows a woman how cosmetic surgery can change her appearance.
It's a child with a congenital heart disease. He had a hole in the heart between the two atriums.
And a cardiac surgeon studies the three-dimensional images of her young patient's heart. It's high-tech healthcare using state-of-the-art equipment. But this isn't in San Diego. It's not even in the United States. These are Tijuana doctors treating American patients.
They come over here because they're going to receive more personal care. The quality is the same and it's going to be less expensive for them.
This is another side of Tijuana, one most tourists never see. Licensed doctors offering American patients health care at half to one-third of the price.
The cost savings it's a very important issue here. Compared to the United States, with us, you would definitely have a 60% savings.
Dr. Jose Martinez is a Mexican dentist, but most of his patients are Americans. They come for discounted cosmetic procedures ranging from teeth whitening to implants and veneers.
When they come to Pacific Dental, they would have to think that they are in a dental office in the United States because they have received the same care, they receive the same treatment.
Dr. Martinez says dental and medical training in Mexico is very similar to the U.S. 4 years of dental or med school, followed by an internship and the passing of a professional exam. And his office uses the same sterilization equipment as dentists in the States. Even the water is sanitized.
We have a separate container in which we use bottled water, and that way we don't have that risk.
Down the street is the Code Eye Institute, run by Dr. Arturo Chayet. The center provides a range of vision services, including LASIK and cataract surgery, plus many procedures not currently available in the U.S.
We have state-of-the-art equipment. We usually are 3 years ahead of the United States in terms of technology.
That's because Mexican doctors use European-approved products and procedures, as well as those cleared by the FDA.
We are constantly training American surgeons in the newer techniques.
Nearby at the COSMED Cosmetic Surgery Center, the waiting room is full of American patients looking for the fountain of youth at a discount. They say they found high-quality care in addition to the lower cost.
I'd say come here in a second. I wouldn't go anywhere else.
But not everyone thinks crossing the border is such a good idea. Dr. Joseph Scherger is a family physician and editor of San Diego Physician Magazine.
Well, I think they're taking a great risk. I mean, Mexico is a foreign country, and we have no idea about the medical education, the education after residency, the licensing that is down there. So it's a great...
And while Americans can sue Mexican doctors for malpractice, filing a lawsuit in another country can be challenging and time-consuming. Don't assume you have the same rights down there that you have here in the U.S.
One of the first things that start happening is you start looking tired.
Dr. Alejandro Quiros, medical director of COSMED, has been practicing medicine in TJ for 18 years and is licensed in both Mexico and the United States. He has some advice for San Diegans considering going south for surgery.
Just as in the U.S., it is important for the consumers to know how to select the physicians. And it is important also for them to know that we have a very similar way to train physicians.
But you need to do your research. Visit the facilities, use the internet, and check the doctor's credentials. And once you see them in action, these Mexican doctors are confident you'll cross the border the next time you need health care.
If you are considering going south for care, it's important to research the doctor's credentials before receiving any care. And we've put links to centers mentioned in this story on our website at news8online.com. Just click on websites mentioned in the newscast.
Now, your exclusive microclimate weather. Here's meteorologist Matt Balo.
Well, they have the same weather we do.
Yes.